Hey you guys, before I start this video, I just want to let you know that according to YouTube Studio, 80% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so make sure you're subscribing, turning on post notifications.
1 year and 6 months later. Yeah, part 2. But this time we have like a bunch of individually wrapped ones, and we're gonna be seeing who can eat the most individual packages without drinking milk. It's gonna take a long time, so there's probably gonna be a lot of speeding and fast forwarding.
You're not done yet, are you?
I don't know. Just my eyes hurt. And my nose. And my mouth. And everything.
I can't.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It's over.
Crouton wants 150 likes on this video.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we're cooked. And we've barely even put a dent in it. Ugh. I'm never having another Taki in my life. I need to take a nap.